What's up, everyone? Happy New Year, and welcome to our first January preview of the Menlo Club. If you haven't heard yet, we changed our name. We are now the Menlo Club, and what that really means is just a better experience for you guys. We are now gonna have this incredible merchandising calendar where you get 8 months of 5-4 and 2 months of New Republic, our very popular shoe brand. 2 months of Grand Athletic Club, which I'm gonna run you through today. So it's really just a great experience for you guys. We took all the feedback you gave to us and we created this incredible new service called the Menlo Club. 5-4 Club is no longer in existence. It is now just the brand 5-4 that we all love. And Menlo Club encompasses all the great brands we've created under the family of brands. First, we're gonna start with our January package, which is Grand Athletic Club. And this month is really about starting the new year right. Being active is super important in the beginning of the year. So we thought we should launch the year with Grand Athletic Club. But don't worry, if you don't work out and you're just a lazy guy that likes to sit and watch football on the couch, we have you covered. But first, we wanna get you in this Grand Athletic Club so you can understand why we love this brand so much. It's actually, of all the brands we've created over the many years, this is actually my favorite brand, because as someone who's very active and loves to run and loves to work out, this brand kind of encompasses style and performance under one brand. And in our club box though, we're gonna give you a little more of a taste of what we're doing. And really it's about athleisure. It's really about the active guy, the casual guy, the fashion forward guy, all being able to wear really cool product, comfortable stuff, either to the gym, even a night out. If you live in places like LA and New York, you can wear this stuff out at night. So I'm gonna run you through what we have. First, we're gonna start with the forward guy. So the basis of all the fabric for all the guys is gonna be 100% cotton French terry. We use this because not only does it have a very premium feel and hand to it, but it also is super comfortable when you're lounging, and it's actually pretty form-fitting. Whether you're a bigger guy or a slimmer guy, it really kind of molds to your body and makes you look the best way possible. So for the forward guy, we did something really cool. So we did a pullover hood, French terry. We have hidden zipper pockets at the pouch in the pocket area, which is really cool. If you like to throw it over to the gym or go out at night, you can throw your wallet, keys, whatever in it, and it's a nice secret pocket. And slightly elongated on the hem, which is cool. It gives a little more fashion forward look and actually pretty slimming. And then on the bottom, we did a really cool take on like your Nike Tech Fleece pant. So we still have the waterproof zipper style, slanted pocket here, and then a ribbed bottom to give you that form-fitting, kind of really cool to wear with if you have cool shoes. And then the pockets on the main pockets are also hidden zipper pockets as well. The zipper is really minimal because we don't want it to detract from the actual outfit, because sometimes zippers make you feel bulky and it just kind of flares out your hips. So we kept the zippers to really be flattering. And then on the hood here, just little details and our logo, which is the 4 dots, Grand Athletic Club. So this is the fashion forward guy. Our casual guy, we did a pullover, traditional pullover crew neck, and with the hidden zip pocket here. I actually own this in white and black from the Grand AC website, and I use this to hide my keys when I run because I have the iPhone 8 Plus. It's so bulky, so I had that in my pocket, and then I put my keys up here, so it's kind of cool. We also put a waist cincher on the bottom, so depending on the weather, depending on you're layering this, or if you're just wearing it, like I wear this without a t-shirt, so it actually looks pretty cool. And then finally, you have the bottom, which I love these. We've got the cargo pocket, which is great to hold keys also in, and then a little more pronounced zipper, but still flat and still flattering. And then you got the back pocket and the rib cuff bottom. Classic guy, we wanted the silhouette to reflect what you would wear if you were like in the Hamptons or in Malibu. You'd wear the half zip, mock neck kind of piece. This is a real popular for golfers, tennis players, the country club guy. I think this is a great piece. You can wear this pretty casually. You could even wear it over a woven shirt when you're going out at night. You got the kangaroo pockets. That's pretty classic. And then on the pant, we kept it more basic. You got the zippers from the last one. We took out the cargo pockets on that. It's a pretty classic everyday look. I think this is a perfect item that you should have for the grocery store, those Whole Food runs, Trader Joe's, wherever you like to shop. So that really sums up what we're doing this month, January. It's our first intro to you guys in Grand Athletic Club. Join us this month and also some health and wellness challenge. I love to run. It may not look like it, but I can actually run really long distances. So I hope you guys join us on our challenge. We're trying to see how many miles we can run in the month of Jan. If you do it and you participate with us, there's a lot of cool gifts and prizes I'm gonna be giving out all month. Obviously, there's a lot of changes in our business. We'd love to get your feedback. Leave it in the comments, let me know. Hit me on Instagram at Dee Murthy. Whatever you wanna do, let's talk about it. It's a big change, it's a positive change. We did the change for you guys. Thank you all and Happy New Year.